That's so good!
Hi bitch, white chicks, wildin' at my crib, sun up, sundown.
What's up guys? You're watching Stupidheads TV, and today we're gonna moan while we eat in the mall.
White out, hey, yeah. You was playing games, so I'm playing with your mind now. Watch out, time out, but let me find out. Think I might need me a timeout. I gotta think of me this time around, yeah. Life give you lemons, I just have vodka.
You having a good day?
Yeah, so far.
Good.
You?
Pretty good. I'm hungry. Good. So good. Oh. Oh. Hey, how are you doing? Can I sit here?
Yeah, sure.
Are you all done? Have you ever had this?
No.
It's so good. It's so good. Oh.
Oh. Oh my God. Have y'all tried this? Have y'all tried this? Oh, it's so good. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Yes, give it to me.
Oh my God. Can I have water?
Yeah. You need a menu?
No.
Just
Oh. Ah! Ah! Damn it, dude.
Still in school?
Oh. This is so good. No, I dropped out. I want to be a YouTuber.
A lot of people doing it.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's so good. How are you?
How are you?
I just thought I'd come talk to... Oh, you have a dog. It might as well be a hamster.
Licensed.
Sweet. This is unreal. This food. Ah. Oh my God! Yeah!
You must be starving.
I am. Oh yeah! Oh my God! God damn! Ah! Can I have like a sample of the honey? No, the honey sample. Can I have a sample? Oh! 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 That's so good! Oh! 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 Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, because this made me feel really uncomfortable, and I hope you feel comfortable enough to like this motherfucker.
Oh my God. God, never tasted anything so good. Oh yeah. Oh. Hey, y'all want any? I can share. Are you sure? It's so good. Super good. You want any? All right, more for me. God, yes. Dude, oh my God. He knows what's up. Oh my God.
You want one?
Oh.
That's all you. You want one? You want one? Oh. They're so good.
Oh.
These, they're so good. Ah! It's good, isn't it? You're welcome. Yeah. So good. Oh yeah.
What's your name?
My name's Pegasus. Mmm. Mmm.
That good, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, you got.
Probably.
I can't even take this. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh. That one had soy sauce on it. Man. Yeah. Oh my god.
That's good stuff.
God damn.
I told you, dude. That's good stuff.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh my God. Yeah.
Dude, dude, right over there. It's so good. Hey, you want to join? You want some?
No, he doesn't. It's so good though. They're seriously missing out.
You want some? You sure? It's super good.
Have you had it?
Where'd you get it?
Just Sarki, Japan.
It's not actually Japan, it's just a store.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Give it to me. God.
Hey, do y'all mind if we use this for a YouTube video? It's just a prank, moaning while eating. We can't use it, so we'll blur y'all out. All right, we'll blur y'all out. No?
No, you want to move to another table if you want a video. Or we'll move to another table.
No, no, no. I'm out.
No, I mean, I'll move to another table if y'all want to do that. I'll move.
No, I mean,
I'll move.
I was planning on moving
Oh, okay, no, I don't want to.
after I was done. So can we use it?
No, I'm serious. I'll move if you want to do a video.
No, we already took it. It was a prank. I was like making those noises while I ate.
I don't want to.
Total sarcasm. We're seeing reactions. So, do you mind if we use it?
No, I don't want you to use me in a video.
Okay, we'll take you out. All right, thanks.
You have a good day.
You too. Okay, so what we're doing is shooting a video to get people to react to me moaning after eating this.
Getting used to that.
Getting reactions from me moaning after I eat. Like it's actually for a video. So do you mind if we put it on YouTube? We can take you out of it if you would like.
Oh, that's fine.
It's like a social experiment.
Oh, I love people.
Really?
Exactly who they are and the way they are.
Good.
So
That's awesome. Awesome person.
I just figured it was your quirk, and that's okay with me.
Sweet. Thank you. I appreciate your loving heart. That's so good!
High bitch, white chicks, violent at my crib.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, like this shit. Stay tuned for more. It's gonna be epic. Peace.
Yeah, you was playing games, so I'm playing with your mind now. Watch out, time out, but let me